Retronix operates in the area of high-reliability electronics, with customers in the aerospace, defense, medical and industrial sectors. And in 25 years, we've learned that one of the biggest challenges for these industries is ensuring that their remote subcontractors, and indeed their own teams, carry out tasks the same way each time to ensure repeatability and consistency. So we thought you should know how Retronix is meeting this challenge. We've developed a system that ensures tasks are carried out at all times by qualified staff, in the same sequence, with the same tools and consumables every time. We're using it every day on your components and thousands of others. We call it our factory management system. The process starts with a customer briefing. This is where we receive the instructions for your specific job. It can be a face-to-face meeting, or you can be given access to input the information remotely. It only needs to be done once. The system can be used for any task, from converting alloy on a BGA to assembling or disassembling a unit. After you verify your instructions and the sequence is confirmed, the system is hard-locked with no further access from operators to change this process. Your job has been briefed to your exact specification. For complete peace of mind, the system incorporates IP protection. Whilst an operator can view a customer's protected designs, this information cannot be downloaded, copied, printed, shared, or otherwise taken from the system. Your IP is secure. When your order process is created, the contact details of all your relevant staff are added, so they can be part of the chain. For example, the QC manager can receive any quality reports as the process is carried out. Similarly, those that need to know direct shipping information, for example, can receive alerts automatically. These details are only entered once. At initial inspection, there can be three outcomes. Let's say we have a task to do on 500 components. If there are no issues, we choose to proceed to move to the next stage. If we count 490 units, we can choose Proceed with Alert, which allows the job to continue, but the system automatically alerts the pre-set up customer contact if there is a lower number. If the components are compromised or unfit, we can choose not to proceed, taking a picture which is instantly sent to you. Your goods are then safely quarantined, awaiting further instructions. All incoming consumables are barcoded into the system. For instance, spheres are entered using their size, alloy type and expiry date. When a consumable is required on a job, the system asks for a barcode and will reject any consumable if it is not correct. Similarly, for any tools. When a purchase order is booked in, the system allocates a job number to that task along with a barcode. At this stage, a contract review can be undertaken to ensure all relevant info required for the task is there, and if not, the system will not allow it to proceed. For further protection, there are many fail-safes in the system. All operators have their own barcodes. The system can be set up so that only operators trained and approved to do that task and entered into the system as such are allowed to carry out that task, or indeed a subtask. The system requires an operator's barcode to be scanned to proceed. This gives traceability in case of fault. If the operator is not approved for that task, the system will not proceed. Similarly, if an operator scans a job, then a process, and that process is out of sequence, the system will not proceed. If at any stage a report is required, such as an X-ray image or a photo as proof of completion, the system will ask for this. Reports are auto-uploaded to the system, collated at the end of the process, and sent to you by email. We only use a dedicated drive for this job. This way the information is prevented from being saved to the wrong area. As the order goes through its order processing stages, it timestamps, dates, and records operator names at each stage. Final inspection can be video as proof of completion before completion of job and move to stores. The factory management system developed by Retronix through years of experience ensures all our processes are fully controlled, traceable, consistent, and exactly to your specifications. So, by placing your trust in Retronix, you know your product is in safe hands.